So what we're going to be looking at here is copyWithin. CopyWithin took me like a little bit to wrap my head around because it is, out of all the array methods I've used, kind of strange. So what it's going to do is going to take this array and it's going to return it. What's interesting though is that this method's only used for moving stuff around inside of this array. So it'll never return an array that is smaller or larger. It's simply used for just moving these pieces around in here. So let's go ahead and start. There's 3 arguments you could place in. The first one is mandatory. The second 2 are optional. The first one is going to be which one of these indices are we going to start copying to? So if I select or type 0 here, we're going to start here. If I go ahead and do something like this, this means where do we start copying from? So this means this one is about ready to get overwritten. Where do we start it at? We start it at index 1. So this should mean this should go 2, 3, 4, 5. And since we've run out of numbers to copy on over, we should end with 5 here. So let's go ahead and run this. You can see that we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 5. Well, that's pretty cool. What's the third argument? The third argument is where we stop, but it doesn't include it. It's really up to that point. So if I wanted to say, I really just want to copy the 2 over, so it's, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. All I have to do is enter 2 in here. 0, 1, 2. So since 3 is not going to be included, it should say 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we see this as 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if I wanted to mess around some more and I wanted to come in at the end, say I wanted to go to slot, 0, 1, 2, 3, let's go to 4. But what I want to copy in there is the first value, which is 1. I want it to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to go grab this value right here, and the range is going to be to 1. And since this is in the 1 slot, it is not included in this argument. So this is a way of just saying I only want this 1 value. So let's go ahead and run it. And we see that we do in fact get 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. So this is how you use copyWithin. I personally don't use it a ton, but it's pretty interesting. I know you could use it for sorting, some kinds of data manipulation and stuff like that. So keep this one in your back pocket. But yeah, this is copyWithin. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll check you all in the next video.